Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install the Java on the Windows 10 machine, and most of you guys may not able to install the Java JDK on your Windows machine, and most of the people don't understand what exactly means like a Java. So they want to install the Java on their machine, but they don't know why they're installing the Java. So before I start, just give me 2 minutes. I'm gonna explain the two sentences to two most important why we need the Java. So basically Java needs for us when we are installing the new software on our machine. So when you're installing the software in your machine, always your machine, any kind of the software, it requires Java. Without Java you cannot install the software, or you may not able to use it, and this is the first number one thing. You need to have the Java for that. And another thing, if you are a developer or you're in the code and the programmer, which you're going to coding and you're developing any code on the Eclipse or any other the tools using the Java, so that time if you want to compile your code, you have to have the Java installed on your machine. So without that your code will not compile and you cannot run your job in your tools like such as Eclipse, IntelliJ, and so on. So this is the two things, most important things I just let you know, guys. Even you're in the server, you're installing the new servers, that time also you need a Java. So I don't want to go to detail. So this is the three important things you use in the Java in the most of the cases. So then let's focus on that. Let's continue, and let me show you how to install the Java. Okay, so if you're new on my channel, please subscribe and smash the like button, and make sure you're on the click the ring bell as well, because next time you will get a notification that you will receive my new videos and you will find out what's happening on the Smart Tech channel. All right, then let's start it. Alright guys, let's go started on that. First of all, we need to go to oracle.com, and from the oracle.com we will download the JDK for the 8 version. And right now I'm going to show you how to download and install. So just go to the oracle.com, and if you go to oracle.com you will see this page. And then we don't need the version of the 16 or Java, we need the Java 8. So I will just scroll down on the below, and I see here the Java CA8, and that's I need the Java 8 JDK. So I will click on the JDK download. Alright, once you get the JDK here, and you will see that the version of the product Linux, and we are not using the Linux, and we are not using the Mac. So if you're using the Mac, and you can download that, and but we need the Windows, and Windows we have the 64, and let's go within 64-bit, and I just hit enter this one, last one, download on the last one, and just click on that and check the box and click the download. Okay, that will ask you the Oracle account. So if you don't have Oracle account, please go ahead and sign up to create your Oracle account, and you should able to download the JDK. So it's a free. You always go to the create an account. That's it. I will right quickly put my details, and I will sign in, and I will download it. Alright guys, I just put in my details, and I'm just logged in. When I put my details, and it automatically downloaded. So it's on here, it's downloading. It's almost 169 megabyte, and if you have to wait a couple minutes to finish on that, let's wait on that, and once it's complete, and we'll start on that. Alright, my Java is downloaded successfully. I just right click and go to the folder that where it's downloaded, and it's going to point to the download folder that I was in there. And I just need to run this .exe format to install the Java on my system. So let's go. Let's run this Java. Okay, then that will ask you you want to install the Java. You can click yes. Alright, and then asks you want to go to next. You click next. And that will ask you download tool source, where it's going to be. So let's take that. This is the installation folder that's going to where it's going to download the Java 8, but I just want to change this location by any case. So I want to put on my actually under the Java folder. I just want to keep in there, so just click OK. And then I have that's going to location is going to be C drive in a Java folder, and that location is going to be install our Java, and I will click next. And that's installing the Java to that folder that we pointed. Alright, so right now it's installing everything. It will take some time, just wait on that. So once it's finished, we will go and check and what's happening on there. Now you'll see that that's Java JDK 8 is successfully installed, and you just need to click close. And now we need to check if it's Java installed properly or not. Let's check on that. Okay, we need to check the Java right now. To do that, I'm going to open my command prompt. So I will click in Windows menu and I will go on CMD, and when I tap the CMD, I will see I will just run the run administrator, so we can open the command prompt always like that. So when it says open, just you make sure you just run as an administrator, so click yes. And once clicking the yes, and you will see this command prompt now. So let's go to the where we installed the Java. So okay, we need to go to the C drive, then I'll go /back and I will go to the CD, and when you go into the directory you can go to CD, then Java, and I will click OK and DR. And now you see that our Java is installed on that location that we specified. So what I will do the CD GRE, and I will do DR and the CD bin, and this is the location of all the packages on there. So this is the Java is located on there. So I will just clean, and let me check the Java first of all before we put our Java properties and a JavaHOME pass, and let's verify if it's not already Java on there. To do that, I will put and check the where is Java, or before that I will check the version Java hyphen and the version. And this is the Java version is installed to our system that which is downloaded. And when you put the word Java, and the Java is not specified, but we have a Java 3.1 is specified where we downloaded, and this is going to be the Java where we downloaded. So if you go back and you see this is the point, this is the version which is 310, which is 301 version of the Java we downloaded, and it is the same also, which is Java is installed properly for our machine. So that's good. So we installed the Java on our system. Now we need to set the JavaHOME. So let's right quickly set the JavaHOME. So to do that, I will say set add text and -m, and I would say the JavaHOME, and I will say -m. Then I will give the pass. So pass, where is going to be the pass? The pass is going to be, which is where we downloaded that C and / Java, and after Java we have the GRE, then GRE, then what is that we have, then after GRE we have the bin, right? So this is the location of the Java we installed our Java. So this is the path you need to give to set up the JavaHOME. Hit enter. So when you hit enter, that's giving the problem. So what is saying, the CTX is not recognized internal tool. So alright, I just opened another command prompt. Let's try another command prompt that I opened the command prompt. The location looks like it didn't like it. So let me try this same command and under the system32 folder, because we are running as an administrator. So let's try quickly, and we'll come out and we'll know what was the issue, you know. So I will say Java /_home and -m, and what is the location is going to be, the location is going to be C, then Java, then it's going to be GRE, and then it's going to be bin. Okay, then I'll hit enter. Alright, that successfully added our JavaHOME path. That's good. So that right now you guys find out what is the issue, and always making mistake is good, and you will find out and you will learn new things. So remember guys, when you're adding the JavaHOME path, you should make sure always under the Windows and under the /system32 folder that you're going to add the JavaHOME path. When you go into the C drive within a different location like that, which is going to Java GRE on the home pass itself, it will not allow to do the Java setup, which is it will give the problem which is not recognize internal and external. So cool thing, that's good for you also learning. So make sure you're going to Windows and the /32 window 32. Under there you can run the command and you will see it. Let's check quickly that there is a Java is over installed. So I will see echo and I will say percentage JavaHOME and again percentage. Okay, this is the echo JavaHOME percentage we set, and it's a Java, it looks like it's not set properly. So what we can check, we can say also where Java. Okay, that's not finding because this is the one also problem. Once you have added the Java, make sure you exit the command prompt. I will exit the command prompt and I will open again. So make sure you also exit this one and let's open the new one, because when you added the new one, and you should always reopen that, and when you reopen it will load the new one. So that's the reason it's not finding that. Right now let's check again echo, and I will say the Java percentage home, and again percentage, and I'll say hit enter. Now you see successfully the path is completely, we added C drive Java GRE. That's good. So let's check where is the Java exactly now. Where is Java? Alright, so now is another issue that we're facing it. Guys, make sure that I'm showing that everything was mistake, because you will understand next time you don't do the same thing when you got the stuck, and you will understand why it's like that. So we had added the Java home pass, but we didn't add the Java pass on the configuration. So we need to add the Java pass as well on the configuration. So to do that, I will use the same command CE text again, then I will say the pass, which is we need to give the pass, then I will say -m, then I will give the whatever pass it's going to be that our Java. All right, so my Java pass, where is that? Is it going to be C, and that's going to be my Java. I'm sorry, Java. I'm sorry, I just wasn't backslash or Java, and then it's going to be GRE. Then it's going to be, what is that? Bin rate. So this is the location. You need to add also pass, configuration pass. Once we add a configuration pass, then you should able to see the Java is configured, because when we did the Java home pass, it's also only adding the Java home pass, but we need to add the Java configuration pass as well. So I will just hit enter. Alright, now it's successful. Save it. So if I do where is Java, it will not show because we need to exit and then reopen the command prompt again. I will do cmd run as an administrator. Okay, now let's check where Java. Okay, cool. Now our Java is added our configuration path. That's good. Now you can check also Java version. When you do Java -version, and you will see the Java latest version we have with 1.8.301, which is the same that we have in the here, which is 301. So that's good. So our versioning is matching. Java configuration path added, and the Java home also is set. Let's check one more time. Alright, now we have a Java home pass added. That's good. Java version installed, latest one, and Java configuration path is good. Now we are good to go. You can run any code in your Windows on your machine and execute and compile. So that will compile any code without any issues. Alright guys, now you know how to install the Java on your Windows machine, and any new software you're installing in your Windows and you have already Java, and you don't need to worry about that, and you can compile your code, you can do anything you want on the Java. Java is the most powerful that Java needs everywhere, and I think you right now is comfortable. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave the below the comment. Let me know if you have any ideas, if you have any questions. I will definitely answer your questions. If you want a message to directly to me, you can follow on my Instagram, and just to send me the text on there, so I will definitely reply on that. So then I will see you on the next video.